Okay. Hey guys, this is Jimmy Guts the Skills. And we're back with another video. At least you can kind of see me because I'm in the fridge. We're doing it in 5 minutes. I've been in the fridge for the 20 seconds right now.
So,
Oh, stuffy.
can they see you
Yeah.
when it's shut?
Yeah. Shut it. It might get harder to breathe soon, so let's see if I can make it for 5 minutes. Hey, you can see that, so you can see me now.
Hey, can I join you?
No, you can't fit. It's trying to join me. Which I'm saying they can't, so they can't. Ooh, it's cold in here. I'm putting them on my
Stop!
Now look what they just gave me. A knife. What's wrong? Stop! Stop opening it! They're horrible at letting me do challenges. They're jerks. Stop opening it, guys! That's silly. Guys, there. Shut off. Hope I don't use it all. Hey, Dre! Can you ask Drayton to get me a light?
Wait. Here, have this granola bar.
No, I want a light. They don't listen. So, if they shut it, you guys will too. So, you see me light. You just go like that. Okay? Deal? If I fall, I'll open the fridge, so at least that's a good sign. Good signs like that, which I only have 2 minutes left, and I'm getting less and less air, so thanks. Guys, I found something that's easier. Here, now you can see me, right guys? So, yeah, I opened the door, so I'm just gonna stay in here long. Stop opening it!
Okay.
I have a light.
We're taking mattresses from your bed.
Okay! Okay! At least now you can see. Yes, the light came back on. I'm in the air.
I'm opening it.
Why?
Can I come in?
No, you won't fit.
Yes, I will. Hey, can I do that? Can I do that?
You guys can try after. I might try doing the freezer at.
I want to see. Wait.
You can shut it off. Stop.
Wait.
Turn it.
Can
I
get
turned it to the coldest.
ready for the challenge? Put this.
Okay. Now, guys, stop opening it. It's been 4 minutes and 34 seconds of you opening it. It's been 4 minutes of you guys opening it. So please stop. Okay, guys. made it 5 minutes in the fridge, which I'm gonna go to 10 actually, I guess. This is so awesome. I never knew it could be this way. I'm gonna go in the freezer next. If I do, please smash that like button. Should I get in there right now? Yeah, I'll get in there right now. It's been 5 minutes.
Hey, can I go in?
Well, I'm helping in the freezer.
Hey!
Yeah, they just want to see how it is.
It's not that bad. Stop!
I'm shutting it!
Give me your camera.
No, I'm going in the freezer.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Hey!
It's cold.
It's colder in there. I need the light. Guys, that's this is the light. So, can I at least go in? Nathan.
Halfway.
No, that's breaking.
It is?
At least come in.
No, we can't.
No, the
The
fridge.
fridge.
Can I come in?
No, the top is breaking.
Let me take your camera. Let me talk.
No. I don't want to. I'm going in the freezer. Deep freeze. I'm going in the deep freeze.
You're gonna crush everything.
So. Hey guys, it's super cold in
You
here.
have a nice day.
Yeah, I'm getting out. It's super cold with snow. Okay, I'm not doing.
Can you at least go in there for 1 minute?
Okay, don't say anything.
I'm gonna fine. Hey guys, it's Drayton Keaton, Jimmy's brother, and I'm in the fridge. Is set it to coldest?
Oh, that's a hot light bulb.
Touch the light bulb now.
I did.
Just do it.
Okay, shut it.
And when Jimmy
Came got in the freezer up there. It went down. Okay, I'm gonna see if this works.
oh, that's a perfect light switch.
Hyundai.
Handy like Handy Mandy. Yeah. Woohoo. Handy Mandy. Hyundai like Handy Mandy.
See, it's just a fridge door. Open it. Oh,
Keaton has some friends in here. He has like his stuffy jaguar. He's up there. He's a real stuck. Sitting on his stuffed bunny.
and throwing a lacrosse ball at the door. Just ow, guys. Sorry for that. Threw that in my poo.
Yo, it was wet in there.
How?
My pants are wet. Is it wet in there?
Peace out, guys. See you guys later.